Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. And straight ahead is, we are out by Grand Spring. That's the entrance or the exit to go into Grand Spring. And look above you. Those are street lights. Sorry, stoplights. So they have started to install the stoplights on this road. Now, the question as to whether this highway should have stoplights or not, I guess is not important now because they have started to install them. And they are installing quite a few. I think another question we might ask is, do they have too many stoplights on this road? But we will wait until all the stoplights are installed and then we will look at that. But basically every major exit, well, I'm not sure if you say exit, but every major turn off the road, let's use exit. Like here at Grand Spring, is going to be controlled by a traffic light. So here you can see it's 3 lanes because the third lane is the turning lane. So you're going that lane and wait on the arrow, the turning light to turn green, and then you turn. And almost all the exits from the highway have turning lanes, and the turning lanes are going to be controlled by stoplights. So this road is very close to being completed. It should make the December 31st deadline to be completed, all 4 lanes, everything. You can see the white lines are installed on the white lines are on the road, and they've now started to install the traffic lights, and also they've started to install street lights. Look at the Jersey barrier where you see that break, and then there's another one coming up here. That break is where they're going to put the street lights. But the section in Bull Bay, they got the street lights first. We actually put up a video, you can check it out. So this road is going to have street lights also. So we are heading towards Albion now. And I should just point out, it's a section between Harborview and Yalos that's getting the street lights and getting the stoplights. The other sections, I'm not sure. The other sections won't have street lights, except for maybe when you're going through the major town like Morant Bay. Those sections might have lights. But in terms of stoplights, no, it's only going to be the major towns that have the stoplights. But the busiest section of this road is definitely Kingston to Yalos, especially the Bull Bay area. I mean, great things are happening for Bull Bay. Great things. And Bull Bay, I think, is going to benefit the most from this highway. And the section from Kingston to Yalos is actually 4 lanes. And then from Yalos to Portland, it's 2 lanes. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.